The webinar has been arranged free of charge on 30th of July at 4 o'clock to explain you regarding the National Electricity Code and the regulations which has been available for the hazard of electricity. And that will help you a lot either at home or at industrial sector or in the commercial sectors or anywhere in this country. It would be helpful to become a safe for electricity hazard. So I think this will help you a lot, and I have been to the electricity board for 36 years in Gujarat. I was chief engineer Gujarat Energy Transmission Company, and thereafter I was deputed to the central state government, and I was chief electrical inspector for 3 years in 2009, 10 and 11 in the state of Gujarat, and I was posted at the Gandhinagar. I would like to go with the subject of electrical safety. Electrical safety is such a subject that at present every day around 40 people are dying because of the electrical shock at different places in India. And this seminar would take us to learn about the hazards of safety, hazards of electricity, and to find out the search for the hazards. How many types of hazards are there for carrying out the safety work? And after knowing searching the hazards, find out the analysis to carry out how much risk is available in that particular cases. The third one is to find out the causes and eliminate the causes and tell the others that we are safe. This is being, even by the central government and the state government, is totally trying to convey all the electrical engineers as well as to the contractors and all the people, those who are dealing with the electricity or sending the electricity to the customers. Even at the demand side management also, the safety is required to be understood first, and that is why the National Electricity Code 2023 has been given by the Bureau of this Indian Standard, and I think with 762 pages of this booklet which is available will take us to the zero accident which we are needing in this country. A lot of safety precautions in terms of all the electrical equipments, by panels, by providing earthing to the concerned places also, or to the concerned discoms, how it can be measured and it can be considered a maintenance free, also can be provided in such a way that we are safe for our lives. Thank you.